Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of using audiobooks. You know, when I think about the vastness of space or the intricate workings of the human brain, I'm reminded of the sheer volume of information out there. It's overwhelming, even for a science guy like me. But imagine being able to explore these complex topics or get lost in a captivating story while you're on the go, or even just relaxing at home. That's the beauty of audiobooks. They offer a unique and engaging way to experience content, freeing your mind to wander the cosmos, while your hands remain firmly planted on planet Earth. Whether you're a book lover or just looking for a new way to consume content, audiobooks have something for everyone. So, buckle up, Space Cadets, as we embark on a journey to discover the top 10 reasons why audiobooks are a total game changer. Let's face it, in this day and age, who isn't constantly on the move? We're juggling work, family, friends, and trying to squeeze in some semblance of a social life. Audiobooks allow you to transform those precious pockets of downtime into opportunities for learning and entertainment. Imagine yourself cruising down the highway, stuck in rush hour traffic, but instead of feeling the stress, you're completely engrossed in a thrilling mystery novel. Or picture yourself tackling that mountain of laundry, but instead of dreading the chore, you're transported to ancient Rome, listening to the captivating history of the Roman Empire. For those who struggle with traditional reading, whether it's due to visual impairments, learning disabilities, or simply a lack of time, audiobooks can be a true game changer. They offer a lifeline to the world of literature and knowledge, breaking down barriers and opening up a universe of possibilities. Imagine the joy of a visually impaired individual experiencing the vivid imagery of a Tolkien novel, brought to life through the power of narration. Or consider the impact on a child with dyslexia who discovers a love of learning through the immersive experience of an audiobook. Our brains are wired to process information in different ways. Some of us are visual learners, while others thrive in auditory environments. Audiobooks cater to auditory learners, enhancing comprehension and retention through the power of sound. Think about it. When you hear an expert narrator breathe life into a complex scientific theory or a historical account, it's like having a personal tutor guiding you through the material, the nuances in their voice, the emphasis on key points. It all adds another layer of understanding. We all wish we had more time to read, right? Audiobooks can't magically add hours to our day, but they can help us maximize the time we do have. By incorporating audiobooks into our daily routines, we can devour books at an accelerated pace without sacrificing any of our other commitments. Imagine conquering Tolstoy's War and Peace during your daily commute, or finally tackling that intimidating biography you've been meaning to read. With audiobooks, the possibilities are endless. Remember that awkward moment when you're reading aloud and you stumble over a word you've only ever seen written down? Audiobooks can help us become more confident and articulate communicators by exposing us to the correct pronunciation of words in context. Think of it as a fun and engaging way to expand your vocabulary and impress your friends with your newfound linguistic prowess. Who needs Scrabble when you can casually drop the word mellifluous into everyday conversation? Gone are the days of lugging around heavy books or struggling to find adequate reading light. With audiobooks, entertainment is just a tap away, accessible anytime, anywhere. Whether you're waiting in line at the grocery store or exploring a new city, your favorite stories are always within reach. Imagine yourself strolling through a museum, surrounded by ancient artifacts while simultaneously listening to a historical fiction novel set in that very time period. It's like stepping into the pages of the book, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to prioritize self-care and find healthy ways to de-stress. Audiobooks can be a powerful tool for relaxation and mental well-being, offering an escape from the daily grind and a chance to recharge. Imagine yourself slipping on your headphones after a long day and being transported to a world of calming nature sounds or soothing meditations. Audiobooks can be a balm for the soul, helping to quiet the mind and promote a sense of peace. Remember the joy of gathering around as a child, listening to your parents read bedtime stories? Audiobooks can recreate that sense of connection and shared experience, bringing families and friends together through the power of storytelling. Imagine a family road trip where everyone is engaged and entertained, listening to the same captivating audiobook. Or picture a group of friends huddled together, experiencing the chills and thrills of a spooky audiobook night. Remember the days of cramming bulky books into your already overflowing suitcase? With audiobooks, those days are long gone. Your entire library is now conveniently stored on your smartphone or tablet, ready to accompany you on all of your adventures. Imagine yourself trekking through the Himalayas inspired by the words of an explorer's memoir playing through your headphones, or picture yourself relaxing on a tropical beach lost in a romance novel, the sound of the waves blending seamlessly with the narrator's voice. From classic literature to cutting-edge non-fiction, self-help guides to celebrity memoirs, the world of audiobooks offers an astounding variety of content to satisfy every interest and curiosity. It's like having a limitless library at your fingertips, constantly expanding with new releases and hidden gems. Imagine discovering an independent author you might never have encountered in a traditional bookstore, or diving into a niche topic that piques your interest. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content. Happy listening. So there you have it, fellow knowledge seekers and adventure enthusiasts. 10 compelling reasons why audiobooks are more than just a passing trend. They're a revolution in the way we consume content. They're a testament to the power of human ingenuity, our ability to adapt and evolve, to find new and exciting ways to learn, grow, and be entertained. I encourage you to give audiobooks a try. You might just discover a whole new world of possibilities and unlock a passion for learning and exploration you never knew you had. After all, as we continue to explore the vast universe around us, why not explore the infinite worlds contained within a good book, or in this case, a good audiobook?